Okay, so it looks like the GPT store is happening now. I just signed into ChatGPT, and this is the first thing I saw, Explore GPTs, and it's right here. So this is our brand new GPT store. So let's have a look. I have not looked at it. This is the very, very first time I'm looking at the store. So basically, what it looks like, you can search GPTs. These are actually mine here. We have featured, we have trending, we have by chat GPT for DALI, writing, productivity. These look to be very, very big custom GPTs like Canva and all that. I wonder if all these big companies that were creating plugins have now created custom GPTs, because this is what it looks like. So basically, the more I'm scrolling, the more the GPT store is going through these tabs here. And yeah, they look like pretty big ones, but let's have a look what else we can do. I can look at my GPT. So these are the GPTs that I have decided to have in the GPT store as public. Actually, no, these are all of mine GPTs. Let's have a look what it does. This is delete. This is um, this is to edit. So they're not my GPTs that are in the store. They're just all of my GPTs, but I can also see them in here as well. Okay, so I know that one of my custom GPTs that I have put in the store is a social media post creator. And let's see if I'll be able to find it. Okay, so here we go. There are quite a few of them. The one on top is mine. So mine has over 100 usages. Do you see right here? So how many chats this GPT has had? And yes, so mine has had 100. This one has 100, and there's another one that is over 200. There's another one with 100. So there are 4 or 5 that are doing the same thing, but let's have a look. So this one is mine, and it opens in a new window. There you go. This one is mine. Let's have a look at some of the others. This one is somebody else's. This one doesn't have a lot of conversation starters. Like mine has 4 of them. Mine also has questions that guide you. So if you want to check it out, just drop me a line and I'll send you the link for my social media post creator. But let's have a look. Let's have a look at this one. Write some social media posts for me. What does this one do that has over 200 chats? So let's have a look. So this one is telling me, could you please tell me what you want to promote or share the address of your website or profile? This will help me tailor the posts to your specific needs and audiences. Okay, so I want to promote my AI membership for coaches. Let's see what this one does. All right. It's thinking. Okay, so this one is actually just asking me one very simple question, and then it's giving me 20 posts, which is okay, but let me show you how much cooler mine is. Okay, let's say I want to create a social media post. And my GPT will actually ask you a whole lot of questions. So the first one is, could you tell me for which social media platform the post will be? So let's say Instagram. We're going with Instagram. And you will see when a custom GPT is created well, it kind of guides you, and so you can give it as much information as possible. And then it's asking, could you share the niche or theme you're focusing on? So my theme, my niche is AI. And of course, you can type a lot more about your niche. I just want to very quickly show you how different these GPTs are, and how you need to look at GPTs in the store and decide which ones you want to use. Okay, now it's telling me what specific topic within AI you would like to post. Okay, so let's say AI avatars as the face of the brand, for example. There you go. And then it's also asking about the audience, and I will say coaches because this is my audience. But do you see how it's actually following specific questions as opposed to this one that just asked me about what I want to promote and gave me 20 one-liners basically. Okay, what do I have here? Would you prefer? So here's the other question. Would you prefer a short, straight to the point, a detailed post providing a comprehensive overview, or something in between? So let's go with something in between. Excellent. And the last question will be if I want to use any hashtags or emojis. And I'll say both because we are doing an Instagram post. Excellent. So this is so much more comprehensive than that. This is just one-liners that mean basically nothing. But look at mine. This is the something in between. So this is not even the long post. And as you can see, like if you putting any free custom GPTs, you should have links in there as well. So, people can actually follow you. But mine not only creates the post for you, it also creates the image for you. And we'll come back to have a look at the image, but let me have a look at one of the others. Okay, here's another social media post creator. And this one is saying, okay, so this is an Instagram post. Let's see if this one is better than the previous one that we checked and how it stacks up against mine. Oh, okay. So, okay. That just created a post. Create a social media post. Let's see if it will ask me any questions. Can you provide a bit more detail on what you'd like the post to be? For example, is there a specific theme, event, or message you want to convey? Okay. Let's go AI avatars as the face of the brand. So I'm going to give it exactly the same topic as I gave mine. And again, so this one is not asking me relative questions, so it doesn't matter it doesn't know what my niche is, it doesn't know who I'm talking to, like who my audience is, it doesn't know what platform I'm doing, so nothing. Again, these kind of don't stack up against mine. And as I said, mine also creates an image for you, so it's very, very cool. But yeah, I would really, really like to see how this is going to go forward, and whether or not us who are building custom GPTs and placing them for free in the store, whether or not we are actually going to share any revenue with OpenAI. But even if it doesn't, just think about it. If you can get your custom GPT to be in the trending section or somewhere up the front, or when people are looking for yours, and if yours is one of the first that comes up and a lot of people are using it, that means that you'll be able to have your links left and right in front of everybody right here. But yeah, I'm super, super excited that the GPT store is finally here. And I cannot wait to see which ones are actually going to be very popular. I'm pretty sure the big ones, like we've got All Trails and Code Tutor and all these, they are from very, very large companies. So they will always be top picks and trending very well. But how many of ours will actually uh, be trending? So, if you haven't started building any custom GPTs, now is definitely the time to build some that you can put in the store for free.